get that, I just run. I just stop.
Flaxseed, roll oats, peanut, wheat germ, wet sugar, almond, rosary almond, nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon, stout, okra, Irish potato, ripe banana, molasses.
In the magnum?
Yeah man, spirulina, wheatgrass. That is the one we don't sell to anybody. You can't put gas in our park here, alright?
Get mixed up. Yeah.
Right, for now, people around about, man, near the airport, man. They can't sit by the way and go
Yeah,
to man, isn't it?
The peach clay is on here right now.
Do your fireside jerk.
Half a pound, 16 bills?
Yeah?
Wow.
Quarter pound, 800 and pound, 3 2.
Natural.
Got barbecue ribs stuff.
Oh, the barbecue ribs there?
Yeah.
What the price for the barbecue?
From 2,000 up. Yeah?
For a pound?
2,000 and up. Yeah.
Wow. Nice.
Oh, the whole thing. What the ring? 1,600.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
If I get that, I just run. I just stop.
Barbecue ribs. Alright. You want to for me? Big tail, jerk.
the jerk, big tail too.
Yeah.
Oh. At the same, hold on, at the same price as the pork?
Yeah, man.
Feel like one try the big tail, you know.
How would it no ketchup?
Not good?
Yeah.
Piece of bread?
No, better for old people.
Yeah.
I mean, napkin quite bad now.
Alright. The belly part, I like the part.
Yeah, I feel like one try the big tail, you know. Feel like one try the big tail.
You want the big tail?
Yeah, man, one big tail instead. Feel like one try the big tail. What is jerk? Barbecue, I say?
Yeah.
Nice.
No, man, it's a jerk big tail.
Oh, the jerk big tail.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, pepper sauce, which is this one.
Yeah, you homemade. You homemade.
Yeah, all of them. This
Not
is the
sure.
barbecue one.
Oh. Lick like
This is a mild ketchup with pineapple.
Okay.
And this is ketchup itself.
Nice.
And you get a slice of bread.
Natural vibe.
You can't beat that.
Can't beat that.
No.
Father Dave, man. See my people, man, I him, man. Big fat blue jerk pork fun and I can't miss.
Fireside jerk.
Straight.
Water soup and pumpkin. Fried with quarter chicken. You want the quarter chicken? Which part? Yeah.
So the soup is, bro?
Conk soup, teacher.
So the conk? Yeah. Wow. See that I want to try the conk that guy. Which other soup in the sun have?
Goated soup.
I mean, roast which over here, sir?
What alone is it, teacher?
What's it?
2 bills.
Yeah, how the pork are going?
Pork done.
Pork done already?
Yeah.
You alone still gonna eat half a pound of pork, Reggie?
I better not there. See nice.
Whoa. Yeah, bro. When the sun have right here now? Hold on. First of all, you know, out here every night?
Fridays and Saturdays.
Fridays and Saturdays.
Yeah, man.
Nice. So when the sun have fun it?
Alright, so we do salads. We do chicken salad, shrimp salad, fish salad. You get it with a serving of. You can take a look. Various nights to do different things. We have sweet potato salad.
Oh, wow. Nice.
This is a mash tonight. We have a
Potato tonight.
yeah, man. That's a mashed sweet potato, flavor nice and thing.
Okay.
We have a Irish potato salad.
Wow.
Alright.
Really beautiful.
And I get a serving of that along with this as well. We have fruits and vegetables as you can see here. You can just scan across.
Nice. Nice. The pineapple right there, so.
Yeah, man,
Crazy.
chop up nice and
Crazy.
you know.
Nice. The apple and pear in that.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful, beautiful. What is lettuce?
Lettuce, sir.
Cucumber in this.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Beautiful.
Come on, and this is
beautiful.
our pepper sauce. Really nice.
Homemade thing?
Yeah, man,
Wanna
homemade
make
everything,
this?
man. Yeah, man.
Wow.
And this is a peach flavor sauce we use for the chicken. So tonight we have peach and we have barbecue flavor chicken.
So now barbecue on the
Yeah, man.
heat today.
Yeah,
Nice.
barbecue and the peach glaze.
Nice.
These are the dressing that we use.
Also, you guys made it?
No, so these we make a soursop one, but tonight we don't have the soursop flavored one. These are bought.
Okay.
Cool.
Nice.
So
Nice.
different nights we have different flavors. So these are the chicken.
Oh,
We have the peach glaze on here right now.
Oh.
Yeah, man, but they're all ready.
Okay.
See?
Nice.
So ready to go.
I want to sell this.
Alright, so we have large plates, we have small plates. Large
Okay.
ones chicken for 15, shrimp for 18, small one chicken 1,000, shrimp 1,200.
And yeah, you get a serving with you get the served with
Everything we see while ago.
wow.
Everything.
Nice.
So we do take call-ins, you can get the number, call, we play it for you and you can pick up. You don't necessarily have to come and wait and order.
Beautiful. You want to leave your number so people
Yeah,
can.
man, so you can get me at 588-0232 or 542-7861.
Alright, nice. So you're going to set up, set up something for it.
Yeah, man, you set up
Nice.
something.
Nice.
Yeah.
The boss have orders are coming, so I'm going to show you a quick setup on doing things. So crazy vibes, people. And this location is a hot spot every Friday and Saturday, right?
Saturday, yeah, man.
Right.
So this is the large box. We'll go with the potato salad first. Yeah. 2 scoops of that. They will come with the sweet potato. This one is very nice.
Potato.
Yeah, man. Alright. This one have a shake and bake. Get it looking nice. You notice I put on my gloves when I'm working on those things?
Naturally.
Yeah, man.
Naturally.
Alright, boom bang, we go for the lettuce, see? Be like that. Spread these babies across. Go for the tomatoes.
Yo, I must say, bro, very creative.
Yeah, man.
Very creative, and this is street food vibes and in a
Street
5-star hotel. Yo,
Done,
really creative.
I
Bro.
bring the 5-star to the road, you know?
You understand? Whoa.
Yeah,
Vibes.
Yeah. These are the carrots. This is dried cranberries. Sprinkle these as well here.
Hold on, how much you say for this one again?
This So 15.
Whoa, you get a lot in a brother.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Everything we see, I get.
Whoa.
Everything.
Very
See?
good.
You know, the apples can't cut and put on because it gets brown over time.
Nice.
Yeah, man. Right. Alright, so so that's how it looks before the meat go on it. So this order is not, the person is not coming for it as yet, so I can't put on the meat on it, but this is how it looks before the chicken goes on.
Real beautiful.
Yeah, man.
Real
Cool.
beautiful. Yo, this could have gone the same way, sir.
Which is right.
Real,
Which
man.
is right. See? And this is how it looks at all times. Unless you don't want something you want to substitute, this is how it looks.
Sure.
See?
5-star meal on the street.
Fridays and Saturdays today.
Wow.
See?
I have a 200 and I have 350 and 600. I go get that out. You waiting? One and a quarter. Yes. You want the lid on there?
Yes.
Here you go. Sure.
Yeah, we don't mind. We don't mind. So, we're going to try some of the cold food. We're going to try some of the cold food tonight. Is it every Friday night you're out here? Friday and Saturday?
I'm here every Friday and Saturday.
Friday and
Unfortunately,
Saturday.
I wasn't here last.
Okay.
Put the lid to them. I have 3 right now.
No, I'm not with this today. Why eat the cold food alone?
Alright then.
Wow. Yeah, man, put in the scotch, man. What you say, man? What about the plantain?
Yeah, we have fried plantain.
Fried
We have
plantain.
4 people.
I drop them in the to one system, man. Nothing wrong with that.
Alright.
Nice. So I get some plantain right just on. Some nice
Alright.
cold food. Beautiful. Fine hour for the Fridays them people and the Saturdays them.
Yes.
Yeah, man, right in Harbour View, man. I'm vibe, you know?
Yeah, triple M treats.
How that go?
Triple M treats.
Nice. Beautiful.
Cucumber, coconut water, passion pineapple, carrot,
What is
beetroot.
this one right here? Yeah, man.
Passion pineapple is.
Oh, nice.
Remember we have Magnum to here.
Magnum?
Yeah, man.
Oh, why not the Magnum? The Irish mash and them thing there.
Flaxseed, roll oats, peanut, wheat germ, wet sugar, almond, rose and almond, nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon, stout, okra, Irish potato, ripe banana, molasses.
In that
Irish
Magnum?
man. Yeah, man. Spirulina, wheatgrass. That is the one we don't sell to anybody.
Oh.
You can't put gas in our park here, alright?
Yo.
That's
Crazy vibes. I feel like we feel like you want you give me something for try tonight. You know? Which one I recommend?
Try the Magnum, man.
Yes, I try the Magnum. Hold on. So now the Magnum I say you don't get to anybody.
Yeah.
Oh.
If the man park, but you not park.
Me no park.
No.
Oh, beautiful vibes. And how you sell the Magnum?
350.
350.
Yeah.
Magnum. All that what you call what like
Everything in it. And we don't use milk 18 years now. Almond we use.
Almond.
Yeah, healthy way we're going.
Wow. Natural vibes.
Yeah, man.
Go and try the Magnum, people.
Yeah.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Burger man, with the chicken back and fries.
Burger man.
Let's go, man. How long is it?
Friday and Saturday out here.
Yeah, man, I want to come there from Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, is it?
Okay, nice.
The
So
same burger.
why you tell the people about which part of spot are they, you know?
Right, but all the people around about, man, near the airport, man, they can't sit by the way I got some, man, is it, man? I'm not thinking, man, let's come link the burger, man, is it?
Straight.
Yeah, is it?
Straight. You have a number of people who can call to?
Yeah, man, 442-9463.
Alright.
Yeah, that they can't miss me. Yeah, man, 9 years in our business, bro.
9 years in the business?
9 years in our business.
Right, at the spot, yeah?
Right, so that's what
Whoa. Whoa.
said burger, they give me name, is it? Yeah, man, thing.
That's a hit, man, better man. Yeah, man. A lot of great stuff. I say, the hot dog, so.
Yeah, man, I'm doing hot dog, so. Yeah, man, on the sandwich, so.
Whoa.
Oh, while I come by about it, nuggets and fries and everything.
Okay, naturally.
Yeah, man, I'm hot thing, man.
Naturally, man. Wow. Beautiful. Vibes, man. What the fire here?
Vegetable with
Yeah, some
ackee.
vegetables.
Yeah,
Tongue and
wash
thing.
it. Watch me now. Lintel,
That's cool,
ackee.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Yeah, these are the veggie chunks.
Ah, veggie chunks.
Yeah.
Eh.
These are the turn calm here.
Whoa.
Yeah, see me?
Oh, that cheese knife?
Yeah.
Of course, me have to that.
Yeah, man. See me?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah. And this now the stew. Ital stew.
Oh, some items too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Natural vibes.
Yeah.
Fireman. Yeah, man. Fire. Every day out here?
Yeah.
Naturally?
Natural. Every day over there.
Every day?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Oh. The vibes, man. Yeah, man. Fire, man, you show people that, you know, they call back, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, as you say, I eat the food, I consume it. Natural vibes. I sell the veggie chunks.
Yeah?
I sell the veggie chunks.
I may have 550 and 650.
Okay,
And
natural.
it's cheap now. We cheap upon 250, 350, 4 bills and 550.
Wow, natural vibe. Finding every day right as a people. We see some ackee gone in night and we see some
Lintel, some lintel tea.
wow.
Yeah. See me? Get mixed up. See me? Yeah. Yeah. See? Yeah.
Natural vibe people. So we have pork and meat and all kind of something out there. So if you don't feel for that, you don't know the natural ital spot there said way. For real. A mixture for everybody.
Natural.
Dig up fire. So we get some jerk. I think this is a jerk pigtail. I don't remember if a jerk barbecue people or a jerk, but you don't know. We try some pigtail for the first time. These are from Dave. You don't know. Don't watch the spot people. We move away from the crowd because a lot of people there in the little area and the vibe there and thing, but you don't know. We just move off from the crowd to come try some of the stuff them. You don't know what. We got some of the, I think this is the Magnum. I think these are the Magnum. I can't remember how much something the brother saying at this, but about 50 and something he mentioned. But you don't know people are just the vibes. I'm gonna try the pork, yes sir. Pigtail. Jerk pigtail. Whoa. Try that one more time, people. Try that one more time. Oh. Whoa. Yo, this have a vibe. This have a vibe. Jerk, pigtail. Look at that. This have a vibe, people. Real natural vibe. Harbour View, roundabout. You can't miss on a Friday and a Saturday. You come out here, so on the whole vibe. A lot of food, a lot of meat, a lot of vegetable. We just see Rasta if you don't want the meat stuff you can get, you know. Peas and legumes and on the Rasta ital style. If you don't want, that's the vibe. We say burger, we say crazy vibe people. So about 50 at something the brother mentioned, so I'm putting at this. We can't recall. But I'm gonna try it right now. Thick.
Let's read something.
People is thick. Wow, we are taste that gumminess there. It's gummy. We can taste the seeds, the flax seeds, we can taste peanut. A bag of things are going on these people. Wow. Slimy. So you know it's okra in this. Wow. Fried plantain right there, so with some crazy cow foot. Wow, it's just a vibe people. If you want the cow foot with, I think she serve it with like rice and all of them stuff there. But we want plantain with our own and we have a big scotch bonnet pepper in these people. Look at that. Cow foot. Look at that. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Mellow and jello. At this piece right here, so people. Pure flesh this, you know. Pure flesh. This piece of the plant with it. Just a vibe. People who have food for kill. Drop a thumbs up on the video. When you don't know the vibes, the hard life, remember to subscribe. I know about things itch up in my teeth and thing, but it's just a vibe. Food nice. Harbour View roundabout. Make sure to drop a subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. We are tune out. Like I mash down the rest of the food that we have. Cow foot in this planting. I don't know what time it is.